Hi, everyone. Anthony Vaccaro here. I'm the managing director of the Northern Miner Group, and I'm excited today to introduce Larry Page. He's president and director at Southern Silver. Now, Southern Silver, I just came back from the Precious Metal Summit down in Colorado in Beaver Creek, and there was a lot of buzz around the silver space. A lot of people looking for that next junior to kind of have a good go over and see what's going on. And I think Southern Silver has some exciting stuff going on. They're in northern Mexico with the Cerro Laminitas project. And here to tell us more is the president and director, Larry Page. Larry Page.
Thanks very much, Anthony. I've got a very short period of time, but what I'd like to tell you about Southern Silver is it's Vancouver-based. It's developing an asset in Durango, Mexico, which is one of the largest assets, undeveloped, but with a resource as a silver property in the world. And so we rank up there with the big people. All we need to do is de-risk the property to the stage where it will have a PEA leading into a feasibility study. The milestones are these. About 11 years ago, we had a big success with Western Silver. It developed its Penasquito property to the stage where Glamis Gold and Gold Corp took it over, and the shareholders had a $1.2 billion payday. We wanted to emulate that success, and so we took the Southern Silver Company, which didn't have any properties of merit at that stage, fossicked around Mexico, found a property that had been put together as a bunch of artisanal mines, small Mexican mines, consolidated it, purchased it for $4 million. There are no burdens on the property. So these are all part of the de-risking things that shareholders should pay attention to when they're thinking about making a speculative investment. And that's what we are. The milestones are these. We have $30 million in the property. As I say, there are no burdens on it. We're at the stage now where we've done some 30,000 meters of drilling, and we're at the stage where we will issue imminently. And I stress imminently because I'm pushing the people to get the third-party independent people to issue the report, but it should be within the next week to 2 weeks. And that is going to tell us how we've increased our resource from 272 million silver equivalent ounces to a number much in excess of that. I'm told by the geologist it'll be somewhere in the neighborhood of 30%. All I know is that it's going to be significant, and it's going to attract the attention of miners, and hopefully it'll attract the attention of potential investors. That then follows on to a preliminary economic assessment, which we expect to have in the first quarter of 2022. What does that tell us? It tells us what the net present value of the ore that we've outlined is, and it sets out the roadmap as to how this property can transition from a exploration asset into what can be a mine, and it tells us the critical path and the cost. So where shareholders are today is they're investing in a speculation which is rapidly becoming de-risked to the stage where it can be a mine. We are not miners. I've been involved in 7 mines in my career, from Hamlow to Esky Creek to Mascot Gold Mines and Penasquito, others. And so I know that that's a long road, and it's an expensive road. I very much doubt if we're going to embark on that, but we do have the capability of raising money. Last year, we raised some $35 million in a couple of equity raises and exercises of warrants. And so we have the capability of doing that. We have $18 million in the bank, and we have a bright and rosy future. I see, Anthony, you've come on, so have I run out of my time?
That's great, Larry. Yeah, we want to just tease people out and make sure that they're going to join us on Wednesday, September 29th at 11 a.m. to get the deeper dive. Larry, you've expertly laid out the case and given a great overview on why investors need to be paying attention. So make sure you join us on September 29th at 11 a.m. We'll definitely make sure you're all aware of it. Look for your Northern Miner emails. You'll be able to log on then, and you'll be able to get the deeper dive on what Silver and Larry and his team are up to. Larry, thank you so much for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you at the end of September.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, and thank Laura also.
Awesome. Thank you. Take care, everyone. See you
Bye-bye.
later. Bye-bye.